Many U.S. manufacturers believe the threat of reciprocal tariffs is the only way to level the playing field of global trade and compete in foreign markets. As the president looks to boost production of aluminum and steel here in America, he announced he would double the tariffs on those products imported to the U.S. The CEO of Marlin Steel, Greenblatt, joins us now with how this tariff roller coaster has affected his bottom line. Great to see you again, Drew. Thanks for joining us.
Hello, good morning.
Your company makes steel products. You got plants in Maryland, Indiana, Michigan. So now that we've had some time with all this tariff talk, how are you feeling about it?
We're very upbeat. This is a fair solution to something that's been an inequity to our factory workers for decades. I mean, for 30, 50 years, we've had a program where it's just not right what we're doing to the American factory worker. We're finally leveling the playing field. We're finally getting into a situation where companies that are bringing things in from overseas, using slave labor, using subsidized steel, using subsidized labor, they can't just dump it in America. And by doing that, you're going to create more American jobs. You're going to create a thriving middle class. You're going to restore communities back to where they used to be. It's about time. You know, we've only built in America since I bought the company 28 years ago, and we only use American steel. It's the right thing to do. It strengthens the middle class. We just need our policymakers to follow suit and embrace American factories and embrace American factory workers.
Wow, kudos to you. 28 years here in the U.S. You know, much of the world's steel does come from China. How have you been able to stay competitive and remain here in the U.S.?
So we only use steel made in Tennessee, Michigan, Indiana, Pennsylvania, Illinois. That steel is actually better quality than Chinese steel. But it's a big challenge because the Chinese are subsidizing and dumping that steel into America. And my competitors that use that steel have an advantage over us. So we have to have more technology. We have to have more training. We have to be more productive so we could whoop the competition in other ways. With the president's plan of increasing the tariffs on that Chinese steel that's being dumped, it makes it more fair to companies like Marlin, where we're only buying USA steel. Again, it's about time. We need policies that protect American factory workers, and we're starting to see it now. It's a blessing. It's going to create strong, thriving middle-class communities.
How are your employees right now feeling about the future?
The employees are stoked. I mean, they see this as an opportunity for them to have a better, more confident future. We're not going to have a situation where, you know, they're constantly getting dumped on, and by that happening, we offer less overtime, we offer less hours. We can't create nice career paths. Obviously, if you make the level playing field that we all deserve here in America, then what's going to happen is our employees are going to have wonderful avenues to thrive and prosper and, you know, get another car, buy a bigger home. It's an exciting time. We're very optimistic about the future.
And also you can grow your business and hire more employees, which will also in turn help the American economy. Have you already seen an immediate impact on your business?
We have gotten a number of jobs. We've also received a number of very large inquiries. We're negotiating them right now. We're enthusiastic about these outcomes. We've already gotten some wins, and we're excited about the future. I mean, we saw 5 tractor trailers of steel roll in the other day simply because of the Trump tariffs. Wow. This is having a positive impact, and we're excited about the future because, again, the playing field's being leveled. That's all we're looking for. We're not looking for an advantage. We're not looking for subsidies. Just give us a level playing field, and my team will whoop them. We will just thrive and prosper. We're going to do great things. We just need that level playing field.
And hopefully we see 28 more years out of Marlin Steel from you. All right, CEO of Marlin Steel, Greenblatt, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.